Going down to the wire, understanding pressure and deadlines. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard quite a bit: down to the wire. This expression is packed with imagery and meaning, and understanding it can really help you grasp how English speakers talk about tension, deadlines, and critical moments. So, let's get started and unpack everything you need to know about this phrase. The phrase, down to the wire, refers to a situation that is approaching its final, critical moment, where the outcome is decided only in the last few seconds or minutes. It originates from the world of horse racing, where a wire was stretched across the finish line to help determine the winner in very close races. Nowadays, it's used in various contexts to describe scenarios that are tense, uncertain, and resolved just before time runs out. Using down to the wire in conversation or writing can add a layer of suspense and urgency. It's commonly used to describe sports matches, projects approaching deadlines, or any situation where time is running out. Here's how you might use it. The project deadline is tomorrow, and we're working down to the wire to finish on time. That basketball game went down to the wire, with the winning shot scored in the last second. It's a versatile phrase that can be used in both formal and informal contexts, though it tends to appear more often in casual conversation and journalistic writing. Down to the wire has made its way into pop culture, headlines, and everyday speech, reflecting the drama of last-minute situations. For example, you might read a news headline saying, "Election results go down to the wire," indicating that the winner was determined very close to the end of the counting process. Or, you might hear someone say, "We were down to the wire, but we managed to submit our proposal on time," sharing their relief at meeting a tight deadline. Understanding phrases like down to the wire not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you better appreciate the nuances of English-speaking cultures, especially their love for drama, competition, and suspense. We hope this video has shed light on this expressive phrase and that you'll feel confident using it in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to exploring more interesting English phrases with you in our next video. Keep learning, and see you soon.